Okay, guys. So if you didn't see the video already, so we have some really weird neighbors. So like at the end of that video, our neighbors started like being weird and making weird faces.
Dude, their parents are mad.
Their parents are mad. Okay. Oh, okay, this is not a skit like the other videos where like the BTS summoning. This is actually like a true video. We don't actually know these because this is our grandparents' house. We like never come here. Oh. Yeah, they might come parents and like
so freaking bad. It's hilarious.
Ew, that's disturbing.
Hopefully like
Oh,
she's coming over.
She's coming over.
Yeah.
No, she is not. Yeah, that's Storm. I wonder.
Tornado.
Yeah.
See those clouds over there? They're really dark.
Let's act like
Ominous. You know what ominous
like
means?
we're filming a storm.
Hopefully there's not a tornado over here.
Yeah.
It could be.
Yeah.
There's a tornado. That'd be really funny, right, Grandma?
Oh, funny, yeah.
Yeah, really funny.
Yeah.
That'd be epic if there's a tornado. I bet the tornado will go over here and it won't come over there. Or it won't come over here.
Set on this. Set on that thing.
I think that's actually really far away. It's just...
You know what that is?
Oh, I think I know.
You gotta think about it.
I bet that's actually really far away. That would be funny. So what are you doing? That would be really funny, like, tornado. Ooh, yeah, that's... Ew, why is that so dark? It's like nighttime.
Set on
Oh, that is...
it. Away.
Stop!
Like a bench.
That's right, there's probably a tornado. So pray for us if you're seeing this. Pray for us.
Tell your parents.
I wasn't even doing anything. I was filming this tornado thing.
We're filming over your house.
Filming like there, like look at that. Probably tornado. Because it's literally in the middle of nowhere. Like nowhere. So that probably could happen. And it's Iowa, so like
Yeah, we're in
lots of
Iowa.
tornadoes.
There's a lot of tornadoes.
So I actually don't know if we're in Tornado Alley, but maybe. I don't know.
Help Grandma set the table.
No, in a second.
Ready for dinner? Set the table.
I don't know if we're in Tornado Alley. Probably. Luke, do you think we're in Tornado Alley? I don't know
No.
if I was or not.
I don't think. Ask Grandma.
Oh, we've had one right by the Hy-Vee before.
Yeah. And the Hy-Vee is.
The Hy-Vee, like I forgot which one it was, but it was like the one
We
by our
don't have
house.
a basement.
Oh yeah, there's not a basement in this house. Like there's not
Here, let
one.
me ask.
Like there's an upstairs though, but that's not right. Probably not a tornado. If it was, it would probably be like farther away. Nope, those sound close, but whatever. Let's stop. Let's just hope it's not a tornado. I've said tornado like 5,000. What?
We would go in like the laundry room over there.
Oh yeah, laundry room.
Or we could go over to any of those neighbors across the street, they have basements, if it was a big one we saw.
Yeah.
We ain't going to their house.
Yeah, don't go. Ew! Why does it sound like SpongeBob? No, we aren't sounding like SpongeBob. I hate my voice anyways. It sucks. It sounds like
Dallas County alert. Severe thunderstorm warning issued.
Oh, okay. So in Dallas County, where are we? Where are we right now? I don't even know where we are. Where are we?
We're in Dallas County.
We are in Dallas County.
There it is, right there. So beware.
Oh. It's not good. I'll be fine. My gecko's downstairs.
Yep.
Leah's downstairs, so she'll be fine. Oh, it's raining over there. It's not raining here. Oh. This is West Des Moines.
70 degrees.
That's pretty warm.
I'm
I'm not cold or nothing.
It was actually cold earlier. Oh. Okay, that's really dark. that looks like it could be a big one. That'd be really cool. Not cool, that'd be scary, but... Oh, that sounds like right above me, so maybe we should go inside.
It's only going on for 25 more minutes.
Oh, 25 more minutes.
Yeah, it's good.
Sounds like right over us. The thunder.
Yeah, look at that.
It's really dark.
Should be on the United Airlines plane in Chicago.
Hopefully it doesn't get delayed. Yeah, that's what I was filming.
Dark. That's where it's coming from. Where's the wind coming? Where's the wind coming?
The wind is, that tree is going that way. I don't know if that's just how the tree is, but that sounds close. I don't like that. Yeah.
Wait,
Okay,
where-
I just like to point out this video went from neighbors to the weather.
Oh, the smoke is coming from here. So look, it's coming here.
Oh, so that means that it's coming.
It's coming from there, and it's like.
So I guess we're fine because it's already that way. So yeah, we'll be
Yeah,
fine.
look. It's coming right from. Look at the street. It looks really nice.
Yeah, it looks fine over there. Like there's blue stuff over there.
Oh, that's really nice over there.
Yeah.
It's probably like, I don't know, Davenport is down there. Davenport is down there.
Davenport's there. Blue skies over there.
Sioux
Well,
City
not
is
blue
up
skies, but like not the
Sioux
back.
City is down there.
Yeah, Sioux City over there.
So we're getting wind from Davenport,
Oh,
probably.
there. I thought it was coming that way because then we could get that, but I don't think we're gonna. So I think it looks like we'll just get like clouds for the rest of the day, or maybe some sun. But like I don't know.
Stepped on a bigger rock.
That sounds really close though, like the thunder. Sounds like right above us.
We're all
doesn't
good.
it? We could film. Oh, look at that! Look!
Oh, look at that!
Oh, that's so cool!
Oh, no.
People just shopping around for dinner.
In the road at my dad's house, there's a dead bird.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be back. I gotta use the bathroom.
Okay, yeah. So, let's see how long. 7 minutes. Okay, so this video has been kind of weird. The neighbors aren't really being weird anymore, so I don't really know what to do for that. So I guess we. Oh gosh. So yeah, the storm's fine. So I think the weather's coming from over there, and it looks nice over that way, like that. So I think we'll be fine. And if there's a tornado, then it won't happen over here.
Oh, 5-10 minutes.
Oh, go.
So yeah, I don't really know what to do right now. The thunder's really not stopping. There's not a tornado siren going on right now, so I don't think it will actually be a tornado. Maybe just that storm, but yeah, that's pretty cool. So I don't know if I'll end the video. I kind of want to, but like I kind of don't want to. But yeah, I don't really know. I kind of want to make the video longer, but something a lot of people don't really like I guess long videos are, oh my lord, and not okay, I forgot what I was talking about, but yeah, oh, that's getting darker. Yeah. So anyways, I'll just end the video. Look, should we end the video? Because we don't really have anything to film
Yeah.
anymore. Okay. Say
Sorry,
bye.
you can-
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys. Have a good day, and
Sayonara.
peace!
Peace.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. Yes, goodbye.